Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your April 2nd week exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section and scroll a bit down to see your reading. Your cards are already out, so let's see how your love plus career life is going to be in the second week of April. In the first two cards for your love life, you've got the Seven of Spades and the Hanged Man. Taurus, I do feel that you were hoping for a new beginning, for a success in your career. Ouch, it hurts. Yes, some sort of, magical future with that particular person, that special person. But it did not turn out to be that way. It seems like this person hurt you really bad. It seems like they stabbed you in the back, right? They hurt you where it really hurts. You know what I mean? Under the belt. They kicked you under the belt. Maybe they knew your secrets and used it against you. I do feel that you are in that betrayal energy where someone lied and cheated on you. You're not able to move past it. I would suggest if you are already in a relationship or married with this person and you want to save this relationship, you will have to move on that hurt. You will have to accept the fact that your partner made a mistake, right? If you think that you want to give another chance to this person, you will have to be adaptable to the current situation, which means move on from whatever has happened and try to forgive this person. If this is something you have ended on a good note or a bad note and you don't want to go back to this person and don't want to take this person back, you still will have to move on because a better opportunity, a better person is waiting for you. But till the time you will be in this stuck energy, you are blocking that happiness from coming to you. So either ways, you have to accept it and you have to move on. The moment you do that, you will see that life gets so much better, right? So please try to accept that the hurt has happened and embrace the hurt, accept the hurt, that no matter how good you were to this person, no matter how much you dreamt about your future together, some things did not work or this person did not turn out to be how you expected them to be, right? So accept the hurt and move on from this hurt so that you can attract better person, better relationships in your life. Let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Eight of Moons and the One of Suns. Well, I do see that some of you are trying to start something new in your career. It can be a new business, it can be a new job, new studies, anything, but I do see a new uh, environment around you, new people around you. I also feel that you're somewhere very scared of how it's going to turn out to be. I don't know how that new job is going to be, the people going to be, the work environment is going to be good or toxic, that kind of situation. I don't know if my business is going to be profitable or not. Well, if that fear is stopping you, then this is a card which tells you that there is a win side beyond this fear, right? So take that first step, whatever you're thinking, you will start seeing the results. In the second week, you will see happiness coming your way. Whatever efforts that you have put in so far will start showing the results to you. I do see a new beginning for you. I do see that rewards will start showing up in the second week. So whatever new decision that you took for yourself, whether to leave a job, get a new job, leave a job, go for higher studies or whatever, it is going to turn out to be very good for you. So if you're still trying to start something new, I would suggest go ahead. It is a very good time for you. You will start seeing the results as well. So yes, that was about your career. I do see that both the things are very much in your hands. You're accepting the fact of the hurt and moving on. You're accepting your fear and moving on from that, moving past from that and stepping into, taking that leap of faith basically. If I see your overall week, you just have to take that leap of faith and better opportunities, better partner, better relationship, better job offers are waiting for you. So why don't you take that leap of faith? This is a big week for you. Please step up. Please move forward. You will find a major difference in your life. Your situation will become much, much better. So this was your message, and if you resonated with my reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, if you would like to participate in a one-on-one conversation with me, you can join me on my Hindi channel at Friday, which is today and tomorrow, 10:30 p.m. If you have any questions, I will post the link on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. If you have any questions regarding this reading or any other area of your life, or if you would like to book any ritual, if you feel stuck, or if you want to manifest your desires, or if you want to book any audio or video call session, that is also available now on my channel. To book a session, do email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com or DM me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all my latest launches, discounts, when is the reading happening, when is the live Q&A happening, everything over there. And my charges are very cheap. The rituals that I tell you are very, very cheap and simple. And also I do rituals on your behalf as well. If you think that you cannot do it, I can do it for you. So go ahead, book a reading, and I will give you all the details as per your budget. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.